Okay, this is chapter 2, lesson 7. It says add 3-digit numbers. It says when you add, you may need to regroup. Okay, to regroup means you rename the number by using place value. Or 9 plus 1 is 10, I put the 0 down, then I carry the 1. That's basically what they're saying. Look at the example that they give. It says during a weekend trip to Vermont, the Wildlife Club saw 127 wrens and 58 eagles. How many wrens and eagles did the Wildlife Club see? They're going to add 127 plus 58. By the way, did they write it? Did they put 58 right here? No, they did not, do they? Okay. So I add the ones place first. Do I add the hundreds place first? No, you always add to the other on the other side of the sign. Okay, always you start on the right side of the problem. So what's 7 plus 8? 7 plus 8? 15. Is this right? No. I need to put the 5 down first.
Carry the 1.
Okay, and you're right. I need to carry the 1 into the tens place. So now I have 2 plus 5 is 7 plus the 1 that I carried though? 8. That's important. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. So they have that. Don't worry about the estimate. We're not doing that. Look what they did. They added the 7s and the 7 ones and 8 ones. That's 15. They put the 5 down here, and then they carried the 1 in the box. Then they added 2 plus 5, the 2 tens, the 5 tens, plus the 1 tens. That gave you 8 tens. And then they added 1 plus 0, which is in the hundredth place, 185. So the Wildlife Club saw 185 wrens and eagles. Look, example number 2 says one box of butterfly nets costs $175. Another box costs $225. How much do the boxes cost altogether? By the way, when it says altogether, what does it tell me to do? Add. And that's what we're doing. We're adding. 5 plus 5 is 10. Is this right? Is that how I do it? No. I put the 0 down, and then I carry the 1 in the tens place. Then I add 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 more is 10. I put the 0 down again, and I carry the 1 to the hundredth place now. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus the 1 that I carried. So 175 plus 225 is 400. And that's what they have there. Look at the practice. Okay, I have 164 plus 17. Which 2 numbers am I adding first? Number 1 at the bottom. Which 2 numbers am I adding first? 4 and 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. Put the 1 down. And where do I carry the other 1? To the tens place, which is right above the 6. So now I need to add. 6 plus 1 is 6. Hold on. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then plus the 1 that I carried, 8. There you go. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. If I do number 2, 6 plus. Do I start on this side? No, I started here. Okay, so this is 11, carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 1 more is 8, and then 1 plus 0 is 1. So I start on this on the right, on the farthest right of the problem. 6 plus 9 is 15. Where to put the 5 down? The 5 is in the tens? No, the 5 is in the ones. The 1, and I carry the 1 where? To the tens. If I put 5 in the tens and the 1 in the ones, that would be 51. 6 plus 9 is not 51, it's 15. Then I add 5 plus 2 is 7 plus the 1 that I carried, 8. And then 1 plus 2 is 3.
Three-digit addition. To find the sum of 582 and 268, we can use base 10 blocks and a place value chart. 582 has 2 ones, 8 tens, and 5 hundreds. 268 has 8 ones, 6 tens, and 2 hundreds. We are going to add these 3-digit numbers. First, we can add the ones. 2 ones plus 8 ones equals 10 ones. We regroup because 10 ones is the same as 1 10. So we put our new 10 here and write 1 10 here. We aren't left with any ones, so we write a 0 in the ones place. Next, we add the tens. We will need to regroup. 1 10 plus 8 tens equals 9 tens. 9 tens plus 6 tens equals 15 tens. We regroup because 10 tens is the same as 100. We put the new 100 here and write 1 here to show the new 100. Now we have 5 tens, so we write a 5 in the tens place. Now we add the hundreds. 100 plus 5 hundreds equals 6 hundreds. 600 plus 2 hundreds equals 800. We write an 8 in the hundreds place. So 582 plus 268 equals 850.
We're going to do number 3. Okay, I'm just adding. By the way, don't worry about where it says estimate. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Okay, and I'm adding. 9 plus 1, 9 plus 9? 18. I put the 8 down, and I carry the 1. And then I add 5 plus 1 is 6. Plus the 1 that I carry is 7. And then 7 plus 0 is 7. So I have 778. All right. Going to do number 4 for me, please. Okay, 5 plus 6. That's 11. So it's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 11. I carry the 1 in the tens place. So 4 plus 2 is 4 plus 2. Listen carefully. 4 plus 2? 6 plus the 1 that I carried, then 7. And then 4 plus 0 is 4. Number 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus, do I have to carry anything? No, that because 8 is a single digit. I only carry, my answer is a double digit. All right. So 4 plus 9, 13. 13, is that a single digit or a double digit? That's a double digit. A double digit. So 3 goes in the in the tens place, and then that 1 goes where? In the hundreds place. So now I add 1 plus 3 is 4. So that's 438. So number 6, when I add 7 plus 7 is 14. Put the 4. Whoops. Okay. Put the 4 down, and I carry the 1 in the tens place right above the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus the 1 that I carried is 4. Do I have to carry anything? No. What's 4 plus 2 now? 6. So my answer is 644. Going to do number 7 and number 8. So 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 9 plus 5 is 14. You put the 4 down, and then what do I do to the 1? Put the 1, carry the 1, or regroup, how they call it, okay, in the hundreds place. So now it's 5 plus 0 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. Number 8, 9 plus 9 is 18. Put the 8 down, carry the 1 in the tens place. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 1 more is 9, and then 2 plus 0 is 2.